Welcome to PlanMyWedding.lk, Sri Lanka's premier wedding planning platform connecting your business with couples planning their dream wedding. We believe in transparent partnerships. We take only a 10% commission when a wedding is confirmed, no hidden fees. Plus, you get a free lifetime listing to showcase your services to thousands of potential clients. Here's how it works. Our wedding vendor marketplace displays your portfolio and packages where couples can browse, message you directly, request quotes, and add your services to their wedding plan. Once they've selected their vendors, our comprehensive planning platform helps them manage everything: vendors, guests, budgets, and more. Payments come through our secure platform and are quickly forwarded to you. We handle the coordination, you deliver exceptional service, and gain unlimited access to new customers for free. We maintain high standards through our vetting process. We require 18 months of industry experience, proven reviews, typically from Google My Business, a focused wedding service niche, a physical office or service center, Sri Lankan business registration, and a business bank account. Ready to join? Visit PlanMyWedding.lk, click Join as Vendor, or go to PlanMyWedding.lk/vendors and click Join Now. We recommend me Join Desktop, but mobile works too. Create your account with your name, email, and password. Then provide your business information, verification documents like BR and NIC, service details, contact information, bank details, and review our vendor guidelines. Your information is completely secure and never shared with third parties. Once registered, access your dashboard to communicate with customers, send quotes, manage listings, and track bookings. While our team verifies your account within 48 hours, you can immediately create your first free listing. Click Create Listing and showcase your work with photos, portfolio videos, descriptions, packages with pricing, FAQs, and reviews. Interested couples can message you, add services to their plan, and request quotes. When confirmed, couples pay a 10% advance to reserve their date, transferred to you within 72 hours. Final payment transfers automatically 14 days before the wedding. Register today and schedule a vendor consultation to grow your wedding business with PlanMyWedding.lk.